Today in this topic we are going to learn about shopping conversation. So conversation A, here let me tell you, S1 denotes for first person and S2 denotes for second person. First person is speaking to second person. Let's see what he is speaking, what he is telling. First person: where do you do your shopping? Second person: I usually start at the central department store. First person: what do you think to their selection? Second person is replying to that question: they have a good selection and their price are low too. Next is conversation B. First person is asking question that they are having a big sale at the Greenfield shopping center. Second person: anything is particular on sale? First person: well, advertised linens and house furnishing. Second person: I suppose there will be crowds of people in the store. Conversation C. First person: I spent the afternoon shopping for clothes. Second person: how did you make out? First person: well, I found an excellent raincoat and I bought some shoes. Second person: that reminds me that I have to go. Conversation D. First person: where did you buy your coat? Second person is giving answer to that question: I bought it at the 50th Avenue store, but a long time ago. First person: but how much did it cost? Second person: at the moment I have forgotten how much it cost. Conversation E. First person: why did you choose the green one? Second person: to tell the truth, I really doesn't have much choice in my size. First person: excuse my asking, but how much did you pay for it? Second person: it was on sale and I paid only $45.